So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get best G2A discount promo codes in 2025. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for G2A discount code. And you can see there are multiple web links. Let's select and open one or two websites. And if we go to the coupon follow, as you can see, 15% off, 3% off, 20% off. You just have to simply click on any of the coupon and just copy it and paste it to your G2A cart where you are purchasing an item, and then you can get the 10% off as this coupon code tells. And if have to try 4 or 5 coupon codes and know which coupon codes is working with you. And if we go to the other website like simply codes, as you can see, 15% off, 7% off, 10% off. You just have to simply click on the view code, and rest of the process is same. You just have to simply copy the code and paste it to your cart. And you can also click on shop at G2A. It will redirect you to the official website and automatically add the discount code to the cart, and you can get 15% off for this specific code. You can just simply try 4 to 5 codes and know which code is working fine with you. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.